So over here, you can see that I got different calendar events right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to change out the reminder settings for a particular event. In that case, let me just go around onto the week-wise event right here, just like this. And you can see that I got this event right here. In order to change its reminder, let me just go ahead and then double click and edit this out right here. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that reminder is an option. So you can go ahead and set the reminder to 5 minutes before, as you can see right here. So you get a notification 5 minutes before right here. You can also go ahead over here and then send it to, let's say, for example, 15 minutes before or 30 minutes before right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and even have custom reminder right here, and you can add in reminder 15 minutes before and add in, let's say, for example, 20 minutes before, and let's say, for example, some hours ago as well, 24 hours, that is 1 day ago as well, and this is before the event starts. You can also have one after the event starts right here, just like this as well, just like this. And then let's say, for example, after 24 minutes, you want to get a notification for some reason, then you can go ahead and do that as well. So you can show an alert and you will get an alert accordingly over here. So you can see that I have added in reminder and multiple reminders right here that will get displayed as the event actually comes. You can go ahead and save, and you can see that a reminder icon is there telling you that you will be reminded for this particular event. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.